And here I am, unraveling my protective style, ladies. I did 4 plaits, 4 separate braids, and kept them in place for about 5 days. Just a short time for me so I can do this demonstration and continue to educate and inspire you ladies to utilize protective styling so you can maximize your hair growth. I never unravel them during my 5 days. I just simply Shima oil them once every day. I use my bobby pins to keep them pinned up and in place so they won't move around at night while I sleep. And I have my Shima Girl Silk scarf in place as well. All of these simple steps combined will help us tremendously in preserving our hair growth, ladies. It will help us tremendously in growing very long afro-textured hair, ladies. Now, here is my Shima Hair Repair Shampoo. This is what I use to wash my hair before I proceeded to create my protective style. My Shima Hair Repair Shampoo is applied to the hair while it is still dry so it can absorb 100% better. This is especially important if you are on the low porosity hair side where hair has a hard time absorbing moisture. So allow my shampoo to remain in the hair between 15 minutes to even a full hour depending on your specific hair needs. And let's get our hands on our Shima oil, Shima girls. My Shima oil will be our main staple product during our Shima hair growth journey. It contains almond oil, rosemary oil, biotin to help us grow thicker hair and even regrow mouth thinning hair issues. It also contains coconut oil and just a combination of the very, very best moisturizing oils that will moisturize afro textured hair and wipe out hair dryness on the spot. Again, ladies, if you didn't notice, hair dryness is the number one enemy of black hair. So let's wipe it out at every turn, Shima girls. As always, you can visit my official website at shimahaircare.com to gain access to all of my Shima hair growth products. The myth that black hair can grow is just not true. Now, the simple protective style that I use can be utilized by both natural and relaxed hair ladies. Both textures will be rewarded with longer, stronger, thicker hair, especially when you Shima oil consistently and use TLC when styling, combing, and washing your hair, ladies. Look at the TLC that I'm using, in unraveling my hair. There are no hangnails inside that can hang onto my hair strands and rip my new growth apart. So always, always, always clip your nails or make sure there are zero hangnails when styling and or washing your hair, ladies. Protective styling and Shima oiling combined will wipe out our hair dryness problems like nothing you've ever seen before, Shima girls. You wonder why your ends are brittle, split, dry? That is hair dryness. You wonder why your hair looks so dry after a relaxer treatment has been washed out? That is hair dryness. You wonder why your hair won't quote unquote grow? That is hair dryness. Get hair dryness out the way with Shima oil and protective styling. And welcome to the longer, healthier, beautiful black hair club. So please, ladies, stay inspired, stay learning. This is how you gently unravel your plaits and remain consistent. Consistency is key in hair growth as well, ladies. Consistency, patience, and faith. And if you have the right black hair growth products in your hands, then you have nothing else to worry about. Stay blessed, Shima girls. I'll see you soon.